late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Flicking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you love and well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell. Little bit of ghetto and a little bit of bougie, ain't afraid to get this in a motel. Love calling my name, love playing my games. You ain't got no shame, but am I part the plan? I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Girl, you cold-hearted. Revelations that I had, girl, you so scarlet. I be tugging down on your garments while your man back at home rolling red carpets. But I'ma send it too. Think about the pressure I'ma get to you. Ain't no lies told with me in the nude. Leave me one more like a motherfucking interlude. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up, guys? Transition. We're back. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? MFX members, how are we doing? Lacka, my brother, how are you doing? You guys ready for NY? Ready for some New York trades? Let's see what we got today. What's up, Mark? Jordan, what's up, my man? Alright, guys, let's get to it. Let's get to the charts. Do you guys take any trades for the day so far? How are we looking? Go sort that out. Righto, guys. If you were in this morning's stream, exactly so far what I've said on both pairs has happened. Everything. Gold is currently testing that level that I want before a possible drop, and GJ gave type 4 entries above this level, so this would have played out beautifully if anybody did take those long positions. If you did, well done. If not, it's totally fine, as long as you understand what I explained this morning and see it happening right now. So let's have a look at gold quickly. We've got comms open in 17 minutes, and then we have New York open right now. So let's have a quick look at gold, because obviously this will be the primary target for today's gold, guys. So let's see. No trade, bro. No trade for me, lol. But when I'm done with work, I will look for opportunities around upper 69. For sure. We're still working. Okay, guys, looking at gold this morning, I'll give a quick little just breakdown, because I have broken this down for London. It's literally the exact same trade. It's the exact same. So look at where price is right now. The first thing I'm going to be doing is marking this current 4-hourly low, because if we're going to go and flip that 4-hour, we should plummet to the downside. So my understanding, as I've mentioned, is that we have this resistance there, we've got the support on the left hand side. Looking where price is right now, we're still trading in that same zone. Okay, so I want to see that price can reject this resistance to come back to the lows of this zone. That's what I would like to see. So because of where we are and where time is during session, I will be looking for my aggressive short opportunities, because they do look good. Because the more they're doing what I planned, the more they're lining up more confluences for me. Okay, so simply right now on that 30-minute, I'm waiting for price to start breaking lows, because it's done. It's tapped now. It's tapped to grab the liquidity. I want to see it start breaking these lows, and then I can look for short positions down. It's easier for me to take the sells there in opposed to here, just in case this is a pullback to start driving up. I will look for an opportunity there, but I think it's just going to be safer for us to wait for that 4-hour to flip. And once that 4-hour then flips, we can then look for short positions. That will be the short side of things. Let's say that's not the case and we start to drive up today. How will we involve ourselves? Buys for me is only going to be coming above the level of 2166. So I have area here. For me personally, guys, this is the only time I want to buy, just because I personally feel like this is grabbing liquidity for the buyers, and then it's going to short off. That's what I see happening. It's just I obviously have to trade what market presents to me, not what I feel or think can happen. Okay, even though I do that whole breakdown and all my understanding is right, whatever, I have to just trade what is actually presented in front of me. So with that being said, guys, we can start possibly looking for an earlier entry if this 15 or 30 minute, preferably the 30 minute, closes bearish like that. The next candle wicks up and starts to flip down like that. That will be the earlier aggressive entry. Now the safer entry is going to come down here. This will be the safer entry. Okay, so the break of that 5-minute floor, the flip of that 4-hour to tap back in and then start driving down. So this would be the early entry, this would be the later entry, but this would be more conservative, this would be more aggressive within the aggressive sales anyway. So it just takes me to say, what do I want to target today and how do I want to attack the markets? Do I want to be a bit more aggressive today, or do I want to be a bit more conservative? However, my confluences are lining up. It's now testing the level where I anticipated. It's at that level, grabbing liquidity right now, and this is also why I don't want to buy in this area, just in case this is liquidity grab deeper and then it drops. I'll more so rather buy above all of the noise, because this is still noise. This is a drive and a pull, right? Which means that if I look at significant low, that's the low, that's the high. So technically, whatever is happening here is still selling opportunities, right? So that's something I need to understand. So I don't really want to sell it. I don't really want to buy it within this level, because I've got my high there, I've got my low there. I want to short below that area. So that's what I'm going to look to do today. Okay, it's now 12 minutes till comms open. We're going to start waiting for 15 close and 30 close and see what is starting to line up for us. But so far on gold, I'm still looking for that short opportunities. It's just where I take it will either be the aggressive trade or the conservative trade within the aggressive sell area. As I planned this morning, I am looking for type 3 shorts, so I need to wait to see if I can get that. Then looking at gold GJ, I think the only real move right now is to wait for price to pull back and start looking for a type 2, and that is how I'll play GJ. Wait for price to pull back, form support, wait for a type 2 sort of setup, and then try and ride it up again. That's what I can see on GJ, because the move is actually essentially just left. You with me? So the overall idea, like this morning, is still to bring price to higher levels. However, I just can't jump on because I feel like price is now possibly going to move, or it has moved already. I can't do that. I have to be patient and actually wait for price to retest these levels and then look to actually go ahead and long the pair. So that's what I'm going to go look to do, guys. We also have a choppy area to the left hand side nearing a resistance point. So the best thing on GJ is going to be to wait for pullback, wait for support, and look for type 2 drives to the higher side. And I think that's going to be the wisest play that we can possibly do on GJ. However, I think a primary target for me is going to be gold, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a price alert on GJ at these lows. Let's say there, right? So I don't know if price comes back, it'll notify me and I can say, okay, let's see a reaction from this level. But for now, GJ, I can't touch that. Resistance, support, I need price to come back to a support level for me to buy it back up to resistance and further highs. I can't buy the price when it's there, nor can I sell because it's just turning bearish. So we have our plan on GJ, looking for the longs. We have our plan on gold, looking for the shorts. Unless price surpasses any of those zones that I've marked, then we can look for a different idea. But until then, I'll be patient enough to wait for that. So yeah, boys, W's in the chat if you understand that quick little breakdown in alignment with this morning's breakdown. For sure, it's quite straightforward. Quite straightforward. MFX members, you get that. Fine with that, eh? Then if you guys watch on YouTube also. But yeah, we're gonna have to sit on our hands, guys, wait for our setup. And then once we get price to come to us, we can then start making things happen. I'm really enjoying this C trader. Still need to get more comfortable with it, but it's a beautiful app, especially on PC. Don't know about the phone so much. I still prefer MetaTrader on the phone, but on PC it's quite pretty. Easy just getting a bit more kosher with those advanced stop losses and TPs and whatnot. Okay, she's pushing to this level now. Let's see. If it breaks that, then we can start looking for long opportunities. But until then, I'm not interested in longs. Only if we can break 2167. Then I'll look for long opportunities. But until then, guys, I'm going to stick with my resistance area here for shorts. What is nice now is, if it does tap that area and then break this, I can definitely look for that earlier short opportunities, because then I have price grabbing liquidity, next price engulfing, for price to then short further down, like that, for sure. That's a brilliant setup for me. So this is actually in my favor. If the sales do come, then that will definitely be the more favorable opportunity then, which I really like that actually. So the more it backtracks like this, the more it tests these highs, the easier it's going to be for me to actually get into short positions. How's the volume on that side, guys? Volume fine, it should be fine. Everything's equalized. Yes, gloves. Yeah, so do you have your C trade open? Okay. Bottom left, there's like a gear. It's your settings option. See that? So just open the C trader as per normal, then look bottom left, literally in the bottom corner. Oh, on the phone? Don't you want to do it on the PC? Otherwise, I'll get my phone and I'll check my phone. Give me a sec. I think personally, I just prefer C-Trade on the PC. It's just more user friendly and it looks better. So when I do the C-Trader one, definitely on PC. But ever since I moved from Mac to PC, I've honestly just preferred trading on the PC. I don't know. Phone is still prime. I love it, even with my MetaTrader. But it's nice on the PC. Get that C-Trader out for you and then guide you on the phone. But I'll show you on the phone and in the PC. How do I do it on the phone? Okay, are you on the phone? Okay. Now, top left hand corner, there's going to be 3 horizontal lines. See that? Click on that. Then, second from the bottom, it says settings with a British flag. See that? Click on that. Then, once you're in the go, click on assets on the top. Then, everything change from units to lots. So, click on it. And then it'll give you options for units and lots. And you change everything to that. You with me? and then you go out and boom, done. Simple as that. Yeah, everything's exactly the same. The only reason why it was different is because it was in units. That's why I had to change that. No problem. And then on the PC, it's also bottom left. There's a gear that looks similar to that. And you also just click on settings. Then you go to assets, and then from units, or I think it'll be volume on PC, one of the two other units of volume, then just change the lots.
Yeah, I think PC is volume.
Yeah. No problem. Comms open in 3 minutes. Can we get some volume here? Doesn't seem like I missed anything in London anyway. Markets didn't really do much. It's pretty much just sitting up for a New York trade, right? Has everybody gotten their credentials with the funnel trader that needed it? The transition. Some volume coming now. Guys, I need to get this fan on. It's super hot. And it's weird because it's actually raining outside. See, there's daily flips near to that 4-hour flip as well. Yeah, if we're gonna be breaking that area, guys, we should definitely short off. So the moment we're just seeing if this is an actual change of direction or is it just grabbing liquidity. Here's comms open now. Let's see if we can get some volume. Can we get some volume? And then we can wait for 2:30 to see closure. See where it's gonna close. Is it gonna break, or is it gonna hold the level, or is it gonna reject? Straight drop Fendi Puma gang. What up, big brother? I just got in here. Are we buying or selling? We are waiting. We're waiting at the moment. But guys, do me a favor, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, please. We are nearing 160 subs. Crazy, right? So we're trying to get to 200. Let's get price up. Road to 200. Miles, I took a gold buy, but I just wanted to know what you think of it. I'll send on Telegram. I think it was slightly low probability though. I'm out of the trade as it kicked me out to break even. Yeah, I'll send it on Telegram. Let's have a look. Okay, appreciate you, bro. And I'm subscribing now, big bro. Cool shot, brother. Yeah, I'll stick around and wait for the position. Yo, guys, let's get that likes up as well. Let's get those likes up. And we are waiting for position. Just let me know. Oh, did you send already the analysis? Oh, there we go. What is the pip count? Like what? How big was your stop loss? How big was your TP?
My stop loss was 25.8 and the TP I go for 20 pips, so then obviously if it gets to 10 I break even. So I didn't make anything on the trade, but yeah. I got inside. Let me just add that.
Yeah, I won't say it's wrong, but I think we just had a different idea. However, the way you took the trade is fine. Like the way you entered, etc., that's fine. So I can't say it's a wrong trade, because the way you've entered was fine. I just think we had different ideas. So I won't say it's wrong. It's just different to my idea. I'm rather more waiting for price to grab liquidity, then get on, and you obviously riding the liquidity. But the way you've taken the trade is fine. It's just I personally don't buy in the last segment of the playing field, if I can put it like that. I don't trade in that last segment. So you are quite close to resistance, but yeah, I think that the trade itself is fine. It's just the area for me is not tradable. But yeah, I wouldn't do it, but if it worked out for you, it's fine. We just had different visions at this point, I think. Yeah, but regarding the setup, the setup's fine. That was like Jordan's idea this morning, right? Is it that? It is. Yeah. Yeah, I can only say that. I can't say you're wrong.
No, I was just more like the entry and things, because I know obviously one might see certain things differently at times. But you mean on the third segment as in the leg, right?
Yeah.
In that specific. Okay.
Yeah. That's the, like, when you got involved, it was at the last point. It was the last point, so I don't know, it's a bit aggressive. Sorry James, I'm back. We'll be in and out of the stream, call outs are flooding in. No stress, bro. Protect our country. Close. Where are we going to be closing? Straight drop, Fendi. Where you from? Sound American. Let's see what to do with this resistance. Like I said, guys, if you're going to be penetrating through, then we can have long opportunities. But until then, I don't see the longs. However, if we can break down here, we good. Dayton, Ohio. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. And then just one thing, Unit. It's the reason why you didn't secure it, like 10.
I don't know. I just thought that maybe, I don't know, maybe it's probably a greedy part of me. I don't know. I just thought that maybe when it gets to 10 pips, then I break even. But I don't take profits because of the lots that are so small that I basically can't even take partials.
Oh yeah. I still think you should stick with your. I still think you should apply your same risk management.
You mean if they get 10 pips?
Sorry, I read this comment. Yeah, whatever your whatever your risk management plan is, I think you should stick to that regardless of the account. Because especially like in the beginning, so I don't want you to get used to that. Also, I feel like with the setup itself, like because it's such a rough area as well, I feel like you should have taken a 10. But obviously, whatever is working for you, especially like because we're so close to that resistance point. This the odds with the probability being so low. I think like 10 was the number. You know what I mean? Jordan, nah, you're pulling my leg for sure. Yeah, the motherland. I can't wait to visit where it all started. Yeah, I started here, bro. Adam and Eve from Galvindale. Guys, I'd honestly love for us to check this resistance, start trading below my type 3 area and then short it down. I'm literally just waiting for that. How much subs are we? Oh, okay, that's an off boss close. It's an off boss close now. Formed a lovely resistance, boys. Really wanna dance with you. 160 Sabaroonies. There we go. 40 more. Let's get to 200, guys. Let's get this channel to 200 subs. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. 160 subs. How long have I been trading for? 7 years, my brother. 7 years, 7 years going strong. Milo, I took the entry on the break just after half past 12, but ended up closing break even with 7 pips. What did you take 7 pips and then close the break even? Injuries is what I need to work on, I reckon, because, yeah, no, for sure. Big OG in the game, for sure, my man. We've been around. We've been trading. 10 to 1. 10 to 1, what time is that? So, yeah. Oof. You took this? I see what you're doing. Tell me if I'm wrong. Were you doing a type 1? Tell me if I'm wrong. Because then I can quickly just say something regarding that. Yanet, yes I am. Yes I am. Yes, two smoke folks. Your entry, was it a type 1? Goldfish, howdy brother. Howdy partner. You don't know the typeset? Bruh. But you took a breakout trade, and a breakout trade can only be a with trade. So this can't be a breakout trade because this is it can't be a breakout trade because it's going against my bearish structure at the moment. So I'd definitely say it is invalid. Remember, this is the structure, this is the micro, so I can't do a type 1 in a micro structure. You with me? This type 1, to be honest, hey, bro, this whole section of buying in the area, it's just not what I would recommend, to be honest with you. This is more so for you to be patient, for price to grab liquidity, for price to break lows and come down. Only if it breaks that high, then yes. Please excuse me for drawing the trend line or the line down. We're not drawing trend lines, we don't do that. But you get what I'm saying. That's why when I came on stream for London, we focused on the key thing, which was where does price need to get liquidity from in order for it to move forward. You with me? Hello from the other side. Hello from the other side. Oh yeah, that's why I say my entries and patiently waiting for his. Yeah, no, but it'll come with time. It'll come with time, my brother. It'll come with time. Because the more you do it, the more to blueprint in your head, the more it'll literally be like it'll be second nature to you. Then the next thing will just be working on that patience to wait for your entry. For sure. Price action and volume, yeah. Pure technical trader. We don't need anything more than that. But yeah, guys, everything's a journey, man. So be patient with yourself. Don't beat yourself up, you know, for small things. It's all patience. Patience, and then you can only get better with time, right? If you are applying yourself. I just feel like a great recipe to this is, let's say, 6 months of backtesting, or maybe even 3 months of backtesting, followed by 6 months of forward testing, will really set you up for a quicker progress within your journey. Because then you've got the technicals out of the way. Then the big one comes, and that's your psychology. In line with the risk and trade management, for sure. So at the moment, guys, what I'm waiting for right now is I'm waiting for price to start closing below this area, breaking that 15, 30 and 5 minute floor. Once I then see that, I'll look for short opportunities there. Short opportunities, something like this, for price to break to why am I falling over my words? To bring price down to the lows. That's my idea there. Stops above this current micro resistance, which is that. Okay. That is going to be the idea there. It's just now being patient to wait for that. I'm sticking with what I planned this morning. just notice there on guys, if you look at C-Trader, just notice like when you're on PC and you go to the center where you have that quick buy and sell, you will find that you have your previous lot size is always there according to the pairs that you've used. So if I scroll between gold and GJ, it's there already. That's quite cool. That's actually very cool. So it really is that quick shorts, eh? Well, quick entries. Guys, I gotta leave now. We'll watch the stream later again. No stress, brother. Keep well. Have a lekker day. I think we'll be fine with the Wordle. We've got the team here. That's been a problem these last few trades. I get impatient and hop in early and miss. What? That's been my problem last few trades. I get impatient and hop in early and miss all the pips that I would have got if I'd waited, for sure. I like your energy and your reply when I send comments. For sure, that's what we should be doing, right? What do you call it? Waiting for our trades. Gotta let it come to you, man. There's no point in chasing the markets. Yeah, I think Mark is tired of Wordle. How long you been trading for, Fendi Puma gang? Straight drop, Fendi Puma gang. Can we get on the news front? What are we looking at? Nothing. We fine till about 7. We got bond auctions. Nothing bad. And tomorrow we got PPI. But in previous times PPI, I don't think it's such a huge influence compared to CPI, right? So we'll just then focus on unemployment claims at 2:30 tomorrow. So I think tomorrow I'll do a double session. However, the NY session will be for the MFX members only. So we'll hop on for London as per normal, and then New York will be just for the MFX members. So if you want to be part of that, it's simple, guys. Just join up, join the team, and then also remember Friday 3 p.m. we're having boot camp, entry type boot camps. How to get these solid entries. All you have to do is join the group, the mentorship group, before Friday, and you get it for free. A little bit over a month I just got in the game, bro. Oh, you're still fresh. You're still fresh. Yeah, I would highly recommend you find yourself a good mentor that has a proven track record and a proven strategy, and then just learn from him. Or her. Him or her. We need to start seeing more female traders in the industry. So let me just plug that quickly, guys. If you guys want to join the mentorship program / group, it's simple. Just go to either my Instagram or come here to the video watching. Within here you've got our mentorship program, take you from A to Z within your trading career with one-on-one sessions, live trading, pre-recorded content, all of that stuff. Guys, we're on 11 subs. There's 20 guys watching. Let's get that up. I know, do I have Discord? For the private group we don't use Discord, we use Telegram. See a lot of people asking about Discord. Everything's done on the website, and then through Telegram will be the secondary, and then yeah, you get one-on-one sessions with me as well. Just get those likes up, guys. If you guys can just hit likes on that stream, I'd appreciate that. GJ coming down. Remember, from this area, guys, we'll look for type 2 entries. Okay. Okay, just also as anticipated, guys, this area here, full of chop. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. I'm definitely rocking with you, big brother. For sure, man. You're welcome. You're welcome anytime, man. Sort of curiosity, how did you find the page? Was it just randomly popped up on your YouTube, or did you find it on IG, or sort of curiosity? Just want to see where the marketing is going to do, so we know which area to press in. MFX members, are we good here? Any questions? Are we fine? Guys, also MFX members, I hope you guys are journaling all your trades and your questions and things and whatever, because Friday pre bootcamp we have accountability call. Mr. Worldwide, call me. What's the guy's name? What's his name again? The Blesco. What's his name? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What's the guy's name? Pitbull. Is it Pitbull? Is it Pitbull? Is it Pitbull? Is it Pitbull? Pitbull, yes it is. Mr. Worldwide. I'll just shave my hair and then we can maybe be that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are journaling, because I want to see them on Friday and I want to see the trades that you've taken for the week. I was looking for a good live stream for JPY, search it and you popped up. As soon as I clicked on it, I'm fine. That's cool, for sure, man, for sure. Yeah, so I only trade 2 pairs. I trade JPY and I trade gold. I only trade the 2 pairs. Less is more. Hectic, I didn't even know YouTube picks up like that. Do I have that in my hashtags? I don't think so. I think I need to add that in, right? Bum bum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Oh yeah, I know you're the GOAT, bro, if you only stick to your 2, for sure. Yeah, this is more, man. Goldilocks, Goldilocks. Can we get some volume, please? Jordan, you bored. You bored. You're now changing your name. Not Jordan. Hope I didn't. Did you catch any criminals? What's the verdict? Did we catch any bad guys? Nah, but nothing yet. We just waiting on position. That's Jordan, bro. this guy, we did change his name to not Jordan. Is this what happens when you don't trade? Oh, hectic. It was like false calls or whatever. It's hectic. Literally, yeah, it's hectic, brother. Guys, let me promote this a bit. Let me promote this a bit while we load. Take you guys straight into the next level. Not load, what am I saying? While we wait. See what happens when you play too much Call of Duty. Your brain gets getokkel. Roland Albertus, new sub. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So while we wait, and I'm just gonna run to the bathroom. Guys, if you wanna level up your trading, this is it right here. The elite package. I'll be back now, guys. When you started, did you get good at demo first, or did you dive straight in and start losing money? Second option. Look, back when I started, bro, like there was this facade that when you start trading, well, that's how people would sell it to you, right? That when you start trading, you'll make so much money, whatever. It's not that. You gotta apply yourself. You have to learn how to trade correctly. So, I learned the hard way in my first year of trading. I'm self-taught as well, so I taught myself how to trade with my strategy that I now currently use. But for anybody that's starting, I would highly recommend get kosher on a demo first. Back test as much as you possibly can, but also test the right strategy. Don't test a million different strategies. Find yourself a mentor that has a blueprinted strategy that works. It saves you so much time. Let him guide you through the process, right? Save so much time. And then backtest that strategy until you see it working for you. Then forward test the strategy, and then when you're uncomfortable, then go ahead and start looking to trade funds. The education is the most important part, guys, and a lot of people want to skip that. Don't skip it. There's no need for you to lose unnecessary money. Volume will most likely come after. Guys, Darren has a fortune teller blocking there with him. Simeon, how's the weather? Sorry, Two Smoke Folks. Nah, we needed a new name. It's too long. The name's too long. I'll call you Folky. How's the weather? Your side of the world. Is it still raining? Are we ready for our cyclone now? Not trading at work is all new to me. Got boring, but I'm just stick to for sure, my brother. That's discipline. You're literally practicing discipline, my man. Facts. The education is number one, for sure, for sure. If you see trading like a business, you're already a step ahead. What's the rule to business? Instead of deep diving and going through your own scallywags, if I want to start a car dealership, I'm gonna learn from someone that already has a dealership, right? That's already has a successful dealership. Let me rather say it like that. It's not gonna make your journey not have faults. It's just gonna make it easier. But you also have to bring your side to the table. You gotta apply yourself every day. Because, like I tell the guys, there's 10,000 hours backtesting, and you also have to do the live testing. Because live market conditions is totally different to a replay tool. Touch and go. Oh no, it was judging by me as well earlier. I hope not, but we can use umbrellas. We can cycle with umbrellas. Type 2 folks, let's mix it up, but now you can only take type 2 into two type folks. Two type folks. Ah, two type folks. Nah, I think he needs a shorter name. Let's make it too long. It's a bit too long. Your glasses, windscreen wipers need replacing. Mine as well. But I see on Wish they have that automatic ones with a battery, and then it just wipes for itself. I've made over $20,000 in my demo. Do you think it's too early for me to be risking money already? But I was always told a smart trader never loses in the long run. Second part is correct. A smart trader never loses in the long run. However, the first part, it's irrelevant. The money you've made on a demo account, whether it's $1 or $20 million, it doesn't matter. The money is the last thing we should be focused on right now. You should be focused on seeing consistency, whether it's on a $10 account or $10,000 account. That's the focus right there, and that relays into the educational side. Do you have your strategy in check? Do you have your risk management implemented? Do you know how to manage positions? How is your trading psychology? All of those things. And like you said, you're just a month in, so you're still very fresh to the markets, which is good, because now you have the opportunity to learn the correct way. And the second part of that is be patient with yourself, because the money we make on demo, it doesn't mean anything compared to what live markets will illustrate to us. Which means we can make that money, but in order to get to that point, we've got to be consistent first, you know what I mean? We've got to learn all the jazz. And once you take the route the right way, your foundation will be more solid. Because I mean, you can make $100 or $10,000 tomorrow, whatever, but you can lose it the next day if you don't have a solid foundation. So what you need to focus on right now is your education, your routine, and your discipline. That's what you got to focus on. The money, that's the last thing. The money will come regardless if you follow the right procedures. It's kind of, you know what I mean? It's hard not to make money. You have to follow the right procedures. However, if you do things the wrong way, you can make money, but you won't have any management of that. Jordan, not Jordan. Forgot that one. Yeah, the name change was yeah, I like not Jordan actually. I like it. I appreciate you for the game and taking time out. Anytime, brother. Anytime, man. That's why we do this, right? $3 Can we see some volume? Do yourself a favor and just do the membership for 1 month, brother, especially if you're a new trader, for sure. Totally agree with that. Guys, just can we push those likes up on the stream? Would it really help with the algorithm? Get more viewers, whatnot. Shout out from the 2G's rooms. Darren, here's your bro. What's up, Slushy? Hope you're doing good, brother. Hope you're doing good. Shot for the shout out. Shot. Came to give a man a like. Donkey. Thank you, brother. Thank you. While you're here, subscribe as well. Miles Taught gave me. Miles gave me the missing piece to my trading puzzle in 3 years of me trading, which I believe is what I always needed. For sure. Slash puppy. All good, brother. A bit of Clap City this morning, but a move, live and learn. For sure, brother. Just don't break strategy, don't break plan, don't break session. Continue what you're doing. Losses do occur. As long as you know where you went wrong, be accountable for that, and you can move forward. No emotions at all. Need to be dead. Yeah, I definitely am. I like how bro carries himself. Stand up guy. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Thanks for the sub, Slushy. Jordan, There's just no setups at the moment, guys. Just being patient. We will be patient. Look, we've came and tapped this level for the liquidity. So right now, if we can start breaking this level, guys, you see, for me as well, the more it stalls here, the better resistance it's giving for that short position. So if we do get the shorts out of this trade, then we have a tighter, not a tighter, but we have a solid stop. So that's what I would like to see, is us just breaking that floor now after grabbing the liquidity as predicted, and then to short down. And if it doesn't do that and starts to drive up, obviously you can look for type 4s in that region. Okay. So let's just stay on my hands, guys. Edgar, what's up, brother? Hope you're doing good. Carl Holmes, my man. Hope you're doing good, brother. I saw your WhatsApp now. I'll get back to you straight after the stream, okay? Thanks for that, Miles. I appreciate it. Have a mooi day, brother. May the force of the pips be with you and the rest of the guys. Shot, bro. Shot. And if you've taken an L today, don't go and overtrade. Tomorrow is another day. Okay. I also like how GJ's starting to set up. Very similar to that type 2 idea that I've been waiting on. But obviously we don't have the confirmations yet. We have to wait on that. So yeah, both pairs, guys, just a bit stagnant at the moment. And this is also why I'm very strict on session. Very strict on only sticking to one session. No matter what happens, I only stick to one session. And I think this is a perfect example of that. Dan, are we streaming COD today? Instead of Wordle, we're doing some COD. Hoppers 3. Hoppers 3. Come to show the people your skills. Might get banned for the language. Oh, what's it? What's that? Shadow ban for the language. Guys, put ones in the chat if Darren must do a COD stream instead of Wordle today. If Darren must do a COD stream today, put a 1 in the chat. Cause you're the G, bro. You're the J. You're the G. You're the G. Ah, well, if Darren does. One, bro. I will. Yeah, boys. If you want Darren to do a COD stream today after our trades, Instead of Wordle, drop a 1 in that comment section. Simeon's gonna join him. I think it'd be sick actually. He's not saying nothing. Yeah, I think Dan will do a stream for us afterwards, guys. God stream. I think we're dope. What do I think of us 30? That's your territory. I don't even know, dude. But you can send me your analysis and I'll check it out for you. US 30, but we have US 30 trades in the room. We've got Carl here as well. Mr. Holmes in the building. US 30 King. But I'm focused on one goal today, and that is gold. Where's the volume at, bro? Here's the volume at. Call upon volume. Can we get some volume? Trying to be a king? Nah, you're already there, bro. You are already there. Which Uno card is for volume? +4. The +4, and then you have the change of color as well. You can use the red for sells and green for buys. But you must throw it hard at the screen, otherwise it doesn't work. Did you guys notice with C-Trade you can actually see your server latency? That's pretty cool. 18 milliseconds. Crazy. Gents, don't forget Wacky Wednesday today. Yo, that would be great. Oh, that would be nice. That would actually be nice. That would be so nice, but I think your net will put me in a chokehold. 170 milliseconds by you. Hectic. It's that LTE router. What you shouldn't forget is half price sushi at John Dory's. Owens, that's a plan. Guys, if you're looking to change your eating and get healthy, your net is your girl. She's in the MFX group. She'll write you up a program, and her fees is prime. Prime. Yeah, dietitian. sushi is my favorite food. If you have to put me at the end of the world, you know, like I Am Legend, and you can only eat one more thing for the rest of your life, it'll be sushi. I can eat sushi every day. Every day. I think I should have been a Chinaman. I want to be ninja. I want to be ninja. Second out, brother, best of Asia. Yo, dude. Yeah, no, sushi's my thing. I'll take sushi over burgers and alles. Bruh, that cup just got automated, now it's back. I blame Desi, bro. He put me onto that meme and I couldn't stop watching it afterwards because I couldn't stop laughing. Okay, I was at 15 close, still nothing, boys, still in that liquidity, nothing yet. It's cold. You've got the juice. Yeah, that was in my head as well. Gold, gold, gold. Stuff wanted me. No, that's the same thing that was to me. It's corny's my lady's ringtone, no ways. I think the worst ringtone at the moment is my ringtone because everybody has the standard iPhone ringtone. Because whenever it plays, you think it's your phone, but it's not actually your phone. That is, I think that's the worst one at the moment. Even when like you'll be watching like a movie or something, and they'll have the same ringtone, and then you think it's your phone. Can't, it's just the TV. I understand iPhone ringtone, but I have a Samsung. It makes me feel like a baller. Yes, see. Guys, for me, I need a closure below, which might mean that I might miss the position. But this is what I want, man. This is what I want. My stop 430. And then we're going to be targeting these lows over here. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Okay? So preferably a close, at least a 5 close to breach the floor. If it doesn't breach the floor, it's tough, man. It's tough. It needs to breach that floor. Okay? Once it can breach the floor, then I'm comfortable with taking shorts. But the other, not issue, the thing that I don't like is Gold's range right now is so large that my stop is tight. I'm not too much of a fan of that. Will I still take the trade? Yes, I will. So let me just pop this here, because this is where I want to enter. And then I'll remove our this short thingy, because I always feel like some people take it because they see that. GJ also crossing that level now. Okay, we get it. Okay, GJ tapping this level now. If we can see rejection off of here, we can look for type 2s, my guys. But until then, we're sitting tight, we're not doing anything. Because we want to be ninjas. Let the bodies hit the floor. We can see who was a WWE mannequin back in his day. Because I was one as well. And you could never see me because I was always John Cena. Not Jordan, he was talking something for life. Die hard. Yeah, we got NYSC open at 3, boys. 10 minutes. So that's why I want closures, man. I want closures. Because I don't want to be caught in a liquidity grab before the session, you know what I mean? I'm just going to delete this, just in case someone thinks I'm in a position. Because you do get people that come in here and just say buy or sell. Lance, are you from P? I feel like I've seen your name before, but not trading wise. Bum, 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 bum. Do you have any other prof besides trading? Profession? Is that what you're trying to ask me? If that's what you are, I'm a full-time trader. So trading is my main source of income. Prof is in profits or profession? Gotta be a bit more specific on that. Which one? Prof or profession? Profession? Nah, I don't. I am a full-time trader. Cycling? That's Simeon's profession. He's a national cyclist. Last week South Africa called him up to be part of the team, so he might go far. I think he will go far though. That's why he shaved the Bleskop to make him more aerodynamic. That's why it's asking what shaver to use, bro. Think you can cycle there? You can't. You can't, bro. That's why he keeps leaving me behind. Sinzai. So now I know why he's beating his times on Strava. It all makes sense now. Guys, can I run to the bathroom before this NYSC open? I'll be back in a bit. bathroom was clipped. No ways, bro. When nature calls, you can't, especially when trading, because trading will drag the PP out of you. Guys, let me know. I have the fan on here. Let me know, is there a noise? Like, is there a noise or something? MFX members, are we good? Let's see anything in the chat. Just like a fan noise or something. Oh, maakt zijn gat. Four minutes to NYSE open, boys. What is nice about cycling, because I just go fishing when I have time off. I could answer you, but I think Two Smoke Folks, he's the main cycler in the group, so I think he must answer. He's going to give you a nice explanation. It's nice though, like for me, answer first, to cycler folk, but for me it's just getting out, because when you cycle, what no you so never thought I'd have to explain this, but when you cycle, like you look at things you never look at when you're driving, because you aren't going that fast. You can smell nature, breathe nature. That's lekker, man. You ride places you'll never ride with a car, and places you'll also never go hiking. So yeah, I enjoy that, just the nature, and sometimes also just nice to not think about life things, because you don't do that when you cycle. You're more focused on regulating your breathing and not letting Simeon leave you behind and all that stuff. Nah, I really enjoy it. But the real advocate is this Two Smoke Folks. He cycles every half an hour. All the best, Jordan. Cheers. Good luck. Way to bulletproof vests. For me, if Jesus is going to trade back in here, this might have been a liquidity grab within this region here. So we might have to type 3 play this. Let's see. Half past close is going to tell me what I need to know. That's what I need to see right now, is half past close. Do I have a road or mountain bike? I have a mountain bike, but we do on-road and off-road riding. So I'm really hoping this weather, Two Smoke Folks, how's the weather looking that side? No, I totally agree with you, Lance. I shed a lot of weight when I used to ride. I hope that's why I'm losing weight. Obviously just burning a lot of calories, but also I think it's also what you eat. But for sure, like cycling gives you lekker bode. That's what's nice. Blue skies are looking, which so clear skies. Are we ready to cycle? How's the weather? As soon as we're done NYSC, I'm gonna put on my kit and I'm coming through. can start putting tire shine on our tires now. Yeah, I think that's safe. Just wait for 4 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, guys. Still nothing on gold as of yet. Patience. GJ, can I ask one question? If you've been watching my YouTube streams for a hot minute, why is this not valid for continuation? If you guys can get that right, then I know you're paying attention in my YouTube streams. MFX members, you're welcome to answer as well. Why is that GJ closure not valid for continuation? It can be, but what? Why not? Why is it turning right now? What have I taught you guys that baby pips teach you the opposite, or any normal dude teaches you the opposite? And how do I use it as a confluence? Can anybody tell me, whether you're on YouTube or MFX? I have a silverback. I had some nice falls down the hills. Two Smoke Folks has the exact same bike. He has a grey silverback. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Nah, you guys are open. Well done. But I just want to just tweak it there. Little to no bottom wick. Because there is a bottom wick, but little to none. In a liquidity zone. So well done on that. You guys are paying attention. Goldilocks. Ooh. You see what's going to be tough now if it starts trading below here, guys. Now we have to search for a stop loss. But if it closes above, it'll be easy because I can use this low as stop loss. How big will that be? 30. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's gonna wait. It's just gonna wait. GJ is just a no-go until it breaks that low there. MFX members, you can answer as well. Let me quiz you guys a bit. MFX members, you can answer as well. But why would I want to sell below there? YouTube guys, you can answer as well, because if you've been following my YouTube streams, I give you these nuggets away. There was a live stream where I literally showed you how I see market structure. So, that's your free education. Why would I be more besides the whole Maribozu, besides reversal candle, all that stuff, why would I be more comfortable selling below there in opposed from there? Anybody can answer, YouTube or MFX members. Let me know. Why would I be more comfortable selling below there in opposed from selling here? It has nothing to do with resistance. It has nothing to do with the candlesticks. Why there? Why below 189041? Anybody can answer. Think about it and then let me know. We'll confirm break of structure. 1,000 thank yous to you, not Jordan. Bro, I thought you went to go save and fight crime. So yeah, guys, remember how I see market structure, right? I don't focus on, just a reminder, I don't focus on, oh, we're trending down. Hi man. I don't focus on, oh, we're trending down. I focus and I depict what is happening with the candlesticks itself and the actual structure within that. And that has then taught me over the years that we have two sets of areas, a pause area and a reversal area. Well, not reversal, pullback area. Two candlesticks is a pullback, which means that I then measure my significant high and low based on my two candlestick pullbacks. In this case it will be that. So my current 30-minute low is there and my high is there, which means that if it breaks that low, right, then I can use that as resistance for price to short down. Okay. However, within this leg, it can buy at any point. Take note of that. So don't get happy because you're breaking within that. And then we obviously add more confluences like our candlesticks and our liquidity zones and all that stuff. But just off that, if you guys can understand that, 100%. Chart, wait for no one. Chart, wait for no one. Yo, crime, wait for no one, bro. QP? Where's QP, my brother? Eh? No, QP. Gold breaking highs. Okay. If the buys is the play, we need to wait for closure 15 or 30 above and then get involved. Client cancelled. Okay. So yeah, have to wait. Have to wait till quarter to 4 at least. At this point, a 5-minute setup won't be enough for me because this is deemed to be a strong consolidation area. I need closure out of it. I hope everything is making sense, guys. And obviously if she just rips without us, she just rips without us. Nothing we can do about that. We don't break strategy, none of that. Stick to our plan. And if that means we get a position, we get a position. If it means no position, it means no position. So we're all breaking highs right now. Let's see if we can actually get out of that by closing out of that. Okay? And our first target will be the resistance on the left hand side, which is the pullback area of the next consolidation zone. So it's about 26 pips away. However, if this does just decide to drive without us, guys, it's just one of those. But we have to be patient. There is no place for stop loss now as well. We have no area for stop loss support. Are you looking for buys based off the last break? No, I'm looking for buys based off that we're changing now, bullish. We're breaking these highs now. So I'm going to anticipate that we can come from these lows to come back up to these highs up here. Which is a point of entry. And I can't just take it because it's buying, guys. I can't. I need confirmation. No confirmation, no trade. Confirmation, trade. Confirmation for me is a 15 or 30 close above this level right now with a micro 5 area of support. Do I only use the 15? No, I use the 5, 15 and 30. And in certain cases you need to wait for a 4-hour closure. So I used weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5. So analysis and direction is weekly, daily, 4 hour and 30, and then entry point is 5 and 15. Okay. The 5 is also very important. That's why, guys, Friday's boot camp, you're gonna want to get involved. I'll show you exactly how we enter in more depth. That's what I mean. Sorry, my brain is no stress, brother. See, in this case, depending on how far this candle pushes, I might have to do a candle flip on it. But obviously, if it closes too high up and close to resistance, I can't get involved because that means where I'm buying is right at the resistance. So I can't wait for the break of those highs. I might need to actually go and wait for the flip. Oof. And I think she's gone. She is gone. Gee whiz, that was a lovely push. Unfortunately, it didn't meet my requirements, so I couldn't get in. have to see after closure how we can get involved. Got 30 pips. You are risky, bisky, but well done, brother. Well done, well done. Are you still holding position or are you out? Are you holding? Are you out? What's happening there? Now you have to stream COD for us. Alright. Same time, Joe. TP hit, well done. Smacked on the bum, well done, boy. Well done, well done, well done. Streaming COD there for us. Guys, gold is pretty much gone. She's gone. 30 pips equals 30 kills. Yeah, and he can do that. Was that on that funded D? Well done, boy. Well done, well done. Well job. Loving CJ so far. I totally agree with you. Did you do like advanced sort of TPs or did you just manually do it? Where's Jason so quiet today? That guy's quiet today. Just a stop to be at 10 pips and 30 pip TP. Sure. So full position 30 pips. Closed half at 10, unfortunately. It's fine, bro. It's fine. That's how it should be done. You gotta manage. Even if that means you get out full at your target and it runs an extra 5,000 pips, it doesn't matter. You gotta stick to your trading plan, what happens in the highest probability all the time. Because let's say, for example, now this happens. You get in the position, 30 pips comes, you don't secure anything, and now it's coming back to your entry point. I had a lacquer chat with Jordan about this last week. No matter what happens in the markets, guys, you gotta stick to your plan. Whether it runs 1,000 pips with you or 1,000 pips without you, doesn't matter. Whether it hits your TP one and you don't take, that's on you. Whatever happens consistently, you gotta do that. Yeah, for sure, for sure. For sure. Like I know for a fact with this run on gold, for the people that took 20 pips or took 10 pips and closed and it ran the extra 500 pips, they could have had FOMO and then they could have maybe got in and then jeopardized the profits that they had or the account that they had. You know what I mean? You in this game, you gotta be so disciplined, man. And it's not about trying to get the biggest moves, it's about being consistent as to what happens majority of the time. And what happens majority of the time? 10 to 20 pips. What is your advice for me to build capital? Should I go the prop firm route or should I go a side hustle route? I will always tell you that personal funds is superior, and we've experienced that now with the prop firm industry. So if you want to go the prop firm route, just get a reputable prop firm. Don't use the funder trader, I can tell you now. Use a reputable funder trader. So for that, guys, you can use a site called WikiFX, okay? So what you do here is the broker that the prop firm uses, you can come here and see. So you can come here, let's say for example, this is what I use, HFM, okay? You come here and you see everything about them. You see where they're regulated, do they have their licenses, how long they've been operating for, etc. Right? Then you go to another prop firm site. What was that prop firm that I showed the MFX members, guys? But there's another site that will tell you the reputation of the prop firms. But also do your own personal research, so you can research. Let's say, for example, with the whole fiasco that's happening with the funder trade at the moment, go research that, right? Then you line up the prop firm with the broker that the prop firm uses. For example, if you go to WikiFX again, and this prop firm that you use, let's say, uses Purple Trading, because that is who the funder trader is now signed with for their C trader. Then you can check up their stuff as well. So then you have the regulation of the prop firm, the regulation of the broker, and you can put them together and find out, are these guys legit, is it worth my time, etc. So those are things you do research with the prop firm. Then also, it's pointless doing a prop firm if you can't consistently grow an account. So if you don't have the education and the trading ability on lock yet, don't even focus about the money. Focus on getting your trading on lock. Once your trading is on lock, then I think to myself, okay, do I go the prop firm route or do I go the side hustle route? Or do I grow my own personal capital? So do those evaluations first. First, evaluate yourself. Can I trade consistently, profitably over a long period of time? Sure, I can. Okay. Do I then grow my own capital or do I then grow a prop firm capital? Decide like that. I can't tell you what to do, my brother. But those are things I would look at. And that's what I tell my students as well. Those are all things you gotta look at. And also, maybe someone needs to hear this, but I don't know. Don't think that by buying a larger prop firm account or trading larger personal funds, your trading will be better. It won't. If you can't grow $100, for sure as shit, you won't be able to grow $100,000. FTMO or Vault Fund, the only reason I say Vault Fund is because of the... Yeah. Look, I don't know anything about Vault Funder, but what's nice is that the guys of Vault Funder are in PE, and you can talk to them directly. So that's awesome. FTMO, they've been around for 4 years, so they're also fine. I think at the moment, maybe just avoid American prop firms because they're having the issue with meta quotes. And that's not to say just go with any prop firm, because there's a lot of scam prop firms out there. So yeah, like check out Vault Funder. I mean, Chris Keegs, they're right here in PE. Anything goes wrong, you can hit them up straight. And then FTMO, they're super reputable, so they should be fine. They're also based in Czech Republic, so they should be fine. I can tell you now who not to go with. There's a basket of them. So for me personally, like, I didn't go the prop firm route because I've been trading for so long. There was FTMO was around, but I wasn't aware of that 7 years ago. You know what I mean? So I've done the personal trading route all my life. Yeah, so there you can see some comments by Jordan and Darren. Well, Jordan, because yeah, Jordan's using Vault Fund at the moment. Yeah, but I think that's for sure, man. I think just like keep it in mind, regardless of the prop firm thing that you just asked me. Your prop firm shouldn't be the end all and be all. If that is a way to create capital after you've learned how to trade consistently, then that's fine. But don't let that be your end. Bring that money home. Trade your own capital. Personal capital, no matter who says what, is still the best. It's your money. You can do what you want. Don't have to worry about drawdown, percent, or whatever. Not that you should even be hitting those numbers, but you know what I mean. Goldilocks made a 30 pip spike. Darren took all the money, and that's why price is not going further up. So we have Darren to blame for that one. He took all the money. So still just waiting it out, man. Guys, I think I need to phone my friend Jason. This brother's awfully quiet. Did they not kidnap him or something? What's the deal? Oh, he's there. Are you alright, my brother? Any trades taken or not?
Nah, this has been busy today.
Oh yeah, for sure. Guys, I'm strongly with the idea that if we can close below this 30 low, right? If we can start trading below it, GJ should short down. If not though, I will look for buy opportunities once we get back above here. Gold at the moment is just a bit tough for me to predict until we have 4 o'clock closure. Because what I'll do is if we close above, right, we can then use this wick as a wick fill. So 30 close above, I'll at that point have a 5-minute support, pop my stop below there, do a type 2 entry to target these highs. That's what I can do on gold. But at the moment, nothing. Because this thing could still melt, flip, and break these lows. There's no closure. That's why, guys, I'm so adamant about my closures. Because that gives me the direction. Especially when we're coming out of consolidation. You with me? You gotta drink. You gotta drink your water, bro. You must drink your water. It's the reason for water shedding.
Will you be even taking buys above the blue line on that?
For sure. That's what I'm waiting for. Closure below there for sure. Closure above there for sure. 2167, closure above there. Retest. I've got that 5-minute support for price to then drive up and fill the wick. I'll definitely do that. On the contrary, if it breaks below 2161.40, I'll stick with that sell idea that I had. But closure is what we're gonna wait for right now.
Yeah, sure.
Can't wait for that closure, guys.
DJ, what do you on DJ?
GG to break these lows, the floor to break, and I'm gonna sell it. With anticipation that this, yeah, preferably a retest, but the break of floor should be good. So this 30-minute also to close below here, right? So I've got this little micro area over here. Floor to break that and retest and start driving to come down to these lows in anticipation that this was then just a test of liquidity, right? Liquidity grabbing for us to continue within the range. So high to low. Stop will be well above that, so I'm very happy with that actually. If GG can break this floor, guys, I'm very happy to take a short. I do see the way we can lose, obviously, be these little liquidity levels here, but I'll still take it. It should be fine. It's gotta wait, Miles, when it comes to backtesting statistics, if your performance is poor on the one pair compared to the other pair, would you suggest sticking to the one? What is that, gold and GJ? No, I don't think so. It's gonna be like that. Yeah, no, it's gonna be like that. You won't have an equal win rate on both pairs. There's gonna be a difference between the two pairs. That's normal. Remember, one's a Forex pair, the other one's actually a commodity. So it's two different ball games. Except we use the same strategy because it worked. But it's fine, it's not to be too stressed about and think I need to drop one or whatever. Obviously, if you have like a huge difference, like you maybe only winning 60% on GJ, but your win rate on gold is 80% and up, then think to yourself, okay, this is the one where my strike rate is high, this is the one where I'm consistently winning, this should be my primary pair. Like for me, my primary pair is actually gold, my main pair is GJ. But I still trade both of them and I'm still successful on both of them. Very successful on that matter. But I don't drop it. You must have a secondary pair at least. Is there a reason why you only concentrate on two pairs? Because I know these two pairs like the back of my hand. Less is more in this case. So the more, imagine I had 10 other pairs that I'd consistently have to do this the whole time. Every time I go through 5 other pairs. Whole time. Is your brain really going to be in sync with what that chart is doing at that point? Definitely not. So that's why I narrowed it down to 2 pairs that I can know like the back of my hand, stick to that. And if I don't get a trade on either or, then that's that. I'm just not gonna try and be in every market. And I can only say this, and I have the right to say this because I was there. I've been through it all. I was a swing trader, I did all the pairs, I did all of that. Where does success lie? Less is more. I'm a car guy, so it's like modifying a car. Imagine you put this sticker, this spoiler, that spoiler, all that weird stuff on the car. It's gonna look ugly. So the trading the same thing. Less chart, less things on the chart gives me a higher success rate. Proven. You want to know the pair like, I don't know, it's like the back of your hand. You know what I mean? And you lying to me if you're telling me you can do that with 10 pairs at once. You can't. You can now have 10 screens going on around you, but no ways. I'm fine, thanks. 2 pairs, all I need. If you want to do 1 pair, I know guys that just trade 1 pair and they killing it. Guys that just trade US30, they're killing it. Guys that just trade gold, they're killing it. But it boils down to You don't have to take a trade every single day, and you're so focused on you knowing what you want that, you know, nothing will pull you from that. So that's why I do 2 pairs a day. Well, 2 pairs in general. Nothing yet for me on either pairs, guys. Gold also opening up with no bottom wick. Little to no bottom wick. Yeah, we just can't do anything yet. Gotta wait for our lineup, man. And you guys have seen it. When I'm patient, it pays. I think there's another question I didn't get to. Okay, but we also need it. You sorted. And then I just wanted to check this quickly. We got 6 new subs in this no, I'm lying. Got 8 new subs in this stream. Shocked, guys. 200 mark, we're coming. Anyway, summer. Guys, we're gonna be on till I think 5 at latest. And if we don't get a position there, we just don't get a position. I don't think today's the day. So GJ also in a bit of a micro consolidation area now. So this area. So it's simple. Break of the floor, we're shorting. Break of the highs, you can long. Because it's in that consolidation range now. Gold, break below here, shorts, close above longs. Both pairs just stuck in the range, guys. Gold popped up for what, a couple bit, and then Sam the man. Same profile picture as Goldfish. You guys a team or something? You guys here for New York? We're doing New York today because we had a quarter London stream due to load shedding. So I thought let me make this available for the YouTube guys today as well. You and Goldfish are the same profile picture. Gonna have to at least wait for that 15 close, because we're still in liquidity. I want to see us pop up about there, and then we can start looking for something. If not, no trade. Looks nice. It's gonna mark that 4-hour high as well. So this 4 hours is gonna break that high. That should drive. Because we're still respecting candlestick in that to me. Two smoke folks. That is heavy rains outside, my man. In my area. Today is going to be a no-go for that cycle. Unless it's different on your side? I don't think so. TJ popping up. Let's see what she does here. To see if I have an entry at that 4-hour flip. That should also be fine, guys. Because if this 4-hour flips after making its high first, then coming to grab liquidity for it to break its own high again, will definitely suggest that we are going to be pushing to that high, and that high. I really like the fact that 10 pips is before that wick full, so that is very nice to see. Got 5 minutes for their close. Gold not doing anything at the moment. Okay, 5 closed above the level. I'm gonna wait for 15 though, because I want to use the next 15 as a possible management point for this position. What day is it? Wednesday? Yeah. Okay, so close like this, guys, and say for example price closes the way it is right now, and the next candle to come down first and flip, I can then look for the long position. Got 3 minutes. That will be the idea there. That will be the idea behind that. This is the flip with that 4 hour, over there. Even if I wait for that 4 hour flip as well, it's prime. However, if this 4 hour flips before that 15 close, that's the only time I'll grab the position. But until then, I'm waiting for 15 close, guys. So I think we're almost there, so just be ready for some executions, because I'll be looking for some GJ longs above this range. Now in this case, I don't have to wait for closure. It would be best, but I don't have to, because I'm basing it off the idea that the 4 hours flipping, as it flips, momentum should click in. And stops will be down here for 30. Why I wanted it down here is because I wanted my stop below this level, right? That's what I wanted. So kinda hoping this candle rejects, but if not, it's fine. So there's a minute left. There's a minute, boys. I'm gonna wait. It's just a minute. So let's wait for this 15 close, regardless if it flips that 4 hour now. Let's wait for it. It's a minute. Well, what, 40 seconds? Gold just seems to not be doing anything right now, which is fine. Let's see if GJ can drive. I would just prefer if this 15 can close. For how coming from these lows to drive up. I do see this area, so that if I lose, this is the reason why. There's the area at 189,450. That could be the reason why we could possibly lose. Okay, 15 close. Price to come down first and drive, we can grab it. So something like that with my stop over there. Okay, targeting these highs, with this being TP1. Okay, so get ready for my call. I'll tell you when I get in position. Now I do want it to come down. I do want that. However, if it doesn't do that, that is okay. Because at this point, it should not break this 30 low. But on a preference side of things, as you can see, we have this little consolidation box there, right? So what I really want to do is I want it to come back down to its low and then start driving. That's what I want. That's what I want. Show me some sort of reaction here, so that when I get in, I have another sort of 5-minute support higher up. That's what I want. Just being patient on this one, guys. There we go. That's what I want. That's what I want. Perfect. So now when price comes up and breaks that high, then we should be good to go. This is exactly what I want. Beautiful, man. I wanted to pull back. I wanted to pull back. So let me just leave that there so you guys can see that I'm not in the position. I'm just waiting. That's where I'll enter though. This is beautiful. This, what I just highlighted now, this area, resistance, support, we want price to come back down and then go. That would be great. So right now, if it breaks the high, we should be good to go. Should be good to go. 4 hour will also flip at that point. It hasn't flipped yet. It's bullish, but it hasn't broke highs. We understand how we can win. We have the confluences. We understand how we could lose. We understand that. Everything's perfect. Look, I can obviously target QP as well, which I'll leave open as a target. But honestly, boys, if I get in here and I can hit TP1 and TP2, I'm quite happy. And that will be the play on GJ. If I don't get that, then I just don't get that.
Have you got a top week on that?
Yeah, I do. Little to none, but there is a topic. There we go. I'm fine with it because we're at that area where we're now retesting, and if we can break those highs, we're anticipating that we can drive. That's why I'm fine with it in this case, coming from these lows over here. Gold. Yeah, gold you have to wait for 30. Close above or below. But even so, if gold can get a close above here, let's say on that 15, this is also a very nice opportunity for longs. Guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Duty calls. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Show us some sort of rejection there. Gold looking good for buys as well. Gold actually is very nice for buys, guys. This is a type 2. Engulfing, next candle to then drop and then start driving, got a type 2. Gold actually is very nice for buys as well. I really like what I'm seeing. It's a type 2. Close above engulfing, next candle to drop, as it breaks high you can long position. In anticipation that this 30 will actually go and fall that wick on the next candle. Four-hour as well, come full wick. I like it, but I'll wait that 7 minutes. Got a very nice support level as well. Oh, that's quite far. That's the thing about gold at the moment. The zones is quite large. Candlesticks itself is quite large. So let's wait for that close, guys. Look, a good rip, but yeah, I just don't have a proper stop loss if I get involved now. Because technically your stops will have to be there, and that's 45 pips away. It's way too big. Gold has a beautiful setup though. I can see it ripping. It's just that stop is going to be too big for me. Oof, there she goes. Yeah, just that stop, man. That stop was just too big, boys. You can't even say I'll put it at the lower. You can't, because the candle's open. Seeing it, we're seeing it all, just not meeting our requirements. We're seeing it all, just not meeting our requirements. Got 5 minutes. This is going to be the 5-minute close, right? Okay. Be really nice if this 5-minute can close bearish. How are we looking here? Okay. Look, we can obviously like see what is more than likely going to happen, but yeah, it's not meeting my requirements. I have to wait at least another 5 minutes. MFX members, are we good in the Zoom? No questions, we're good?
All good.
For sure. You guys understand why I'm not just jumping in or jumping on? As tempting as it is. Like that. If we can close like that, perfect for type 2. Because then you have the closure there, you have the opening of the next candle over there, you come down for your low first, and as it flips, you jump in. So that's what I want to see. I want to see this candle currently close somewhat like that, next candle to start pulling back, and as it flips I can get involved. So that'll be nice. That'll be nice. So we got 3 minutes to closure. Let's see. Yen playing with bears. Okay. Yeah, could wait this 3 minutes, guys. Welcome, Rust Devil. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Alfonso shot for the sub. How do I say that surname? Baruta. Let's make sure you also turn on your notification, guys. You guys can see when I go live every day. Actually, I'm going to be having a type 2 on both pairs. Chicha and gold. If they close like that, they both can be type 2s. Seconds. Get ready for some gold longs, you boys. Three seconds. 15 close, make the bottom wick. Okay, so here we go. We are going to then pop up that, say there. This is what I want now, guys. As we flip and we start to drive back up, let's go with gold buys for a 30 pip stop, with our overall TP being QP. TP1 will be 10, TP2 will be the wick fill, okay? So we TP1, get ready. Tell you when I buy. Let's see how she goes, eh? TP2 will be right here, boys. TP2 is about 20 pips. Very close to entry. Personally, the more it stalls, the better for me, because that's what I understand to be price accumulating volume. See one thing. No, that's fine. I know how I can lose it. Also, there is air on the left hand side, but it's a pure type 2 trade, so it's just a continuation. But I need to break its own high. So as you can see now, it's made its own high. It's now making lows, right? If price is going to come and break its own high, it should drive up. It's being patient for that entry now. 30 pip stop below the previous 15 low, because technically if it's going to break the previous low, I wouldn't want to be in the position. There's no way of managing the position, unfortunately, so if I do take a L, it's going to be 30 pips. Totally fine, right? Can we get a bullish 5? That would be nice. 3 seconds till that close. Okay, boys, just executed some long positions over there. We've got our trade set. I just need to set my parameters over here. Stop loss for 30 pips. TP 2169. Okay, let's see how she goes. Can she push? That is the question. Can she continue with her drive? TP1 we can move to break even. TP2 will be obviously profit taking. TP1 you can secure partials as well. So TP1 break even, secure partials. TP2 secure partials, and then we can enter the restaurant. Okay. So yeah, let's see how she goes. That's a type 2. What is Madam GJ doing? What is a type 2? It is one of the 4 ways I enter the markets. And that you can learn within the MFX group. If you want to learn it in more depth as well, we have a bootcamp coming Friday for MFX members. All you got to do is sign up to the membership package before Friday and you get it totally complimentary. Come back, bro. Welcome back, my man. Welcome back. Fendi Puma gang. Pretty much just hovering at the break-even point now, guys. Just gonna let the trade do what it needs to do. There's volume around the area. There's definitely volume around the area. As I explained, guys, I would have loved for my stop to be below this area, but it'll just be too big. So I then waited for a micro time frame to get a solid support, and that's when I then executed and used my type 2 strategy. Sorry, my type 2 way of execution to capitalize on that. So I've done my job. Whatever happens now is, you know, in the market's hands, right? What's the forecast on gold, brother? I'm expecting price to long right now to my take profit because I'm in this position. So I'm expecting price to long to my take profit 1 and TP2. At least TP1. So let's see if it's rainy with a chance of profits, right? Let's see. Very close to that TP1 right now. Can she do a TP1 hit? That's another win for us. Go to break even and secure partials. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. TP1 in the bag. GG. Well done. Let's see if we can push these runners to TP2. Can I get some W's in the chat, guys? W's in the chat. W's in the chat for another win. Caught live in front of your eyes. It's not science, it's just discipline. We waited a while. I think we got onto stream like 2 hours ago. So it's the patience part of it that is the biggest thing, but look at the trade part of it, you know? So being patient and yeah, patience, man. Patience, sticking to your strategy just gave us a beautiful, beautiful TP1. So I've secured profits. My stop is at break even. The leftover I have running, I'll just let go. And that's how we do it the MFX way, guys. Tommy Zhang, welcome, brother. Ashik, welcome, my man. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, drop a like for me, and yeah, very much appreciate it. So well done on that. MFX members, we good? Nearing that TP2 mark now, guys. Can we press to TP2? Afternoon, Shelton. Oh, sorry, Ashton Shelton. My bad. Afternoon, brother. So obviously this trade was a bit of a wait, but now you guys see why patience is so important. Whether I won or lost the trade, it's just so important to stick to your discipline and just be patient, man. So yeah, well done guys. W's, 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 W's. Tommy saying nice entry. Thanks brother, it's all patience. And then just applying the strategy. So boys, I'm done for the day. I've hit my target. I'm happy. I would love to see a TP2, but I'm very happy with TP1. That pushed about 15 pips. 15 pips. Not bad, right? It's a beautiful day in the bay, inside your house, because it's raining outside. Can I get in now? Oh no, bro, you wait too late. If you didn't enter where I entered, unfortunately, you've missed the position. But what you can do is you can watch the stream afterwards and you'll see how I got in on the trade, so that you're still technically winning because you're getting education. That's the most important thing, right? Thank you, brother D. Thank you, brother D. Okay, that's 15 close. No bottom wick on the 15, so if anybody hasn't taken profits, I don't know why you wouldn't take profit at TP1, but if you haven't, be aware that this 15 didn't have a bottom wick, okay? Calvin Rivas, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. How's GJ? I don't know. I haven't taken a trade on GJ yet, so we just took gold longs and we won that trade, so I'm done for the day. One trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Appreciate that. And then just for straight drop Fendi Puma gang, obviously it's New York time for you. So the New York sessions, when I do New York sessions, they're actually only for MFX members, so I host them in my private Telegram group. However, I trade London every single day live with YouTube. So London sessions are live for free every single day. And then for new guys that just joined, if you want to level up your trading and trade the way I do and learn from me, I have a mentorship group for $47 monthly. You can come for a month. If you don't enjoy it, you can leave. It's on my website. You guys can check that out. We teach you everything you need to know from A to Z to trade the way I do. And then last plug, Bootcamp Friday, 3 p.m. for MFX members. Guys, I'm quite happy with today. Got runners at break even. We'll see how they do. Okay, so our runners might be stopped out, but that's totally fine. We've already won the trade with profit taken at TP1. So that's a W for us today. Can I get W's in the chat? Is that possible to get some W's in the chat for a beautiful win? The trade ran up 15 pips. So there's no ways that whoever was in the trade shouldn't have secured. TP, runner's still going still. Let's see if she can turn and go. If not, I'm very happy with today. Thanks guys, thank you. Dubs in that chat, I love it. Thanks boys. Thanks guys, thank you. Haven't been stopped out of the runner, so the runner's still running. So at this point, I won't be managing those runners yet. Just gonna let them do what they need to do. Very nice, man. Very nice. See, so even New York was low volume today. We might get some volume tonight with the news at 7, however, but could possibly just stall until unemployment claims tomorrow. That's why I'm very adamant about one session, guys. You don't need to session hop. Just like you don't strategy hop, you shouldn't session hop. Find a session that works for you and stick to that. And that personally for me is London session. And you see, like even now when price rejecting TP1, and that's why it was also deep one for me. You can't just say, okay, it's rejecting for no reason. There's a technical reason behind that, right? TP1 is a resistance area prior, and if I look to the left, it is over there. Okay, so that's something you have to know with your trade before, during, and after. Why does it react off certain areas? It's not because it feels like it. It's because there is support resistance slash liquidity at the areas. Can she drive? We're still in. We're still in on those runners. Can she drive? So once again, if nobody's taking profit, now would be your time. 10 pips, bro. We push to 15. Okay, that is our runners out at break even. That is a W day for me, guys. I'm done for the day. Very happy with those results. I'm very aware that we also have news tomorrow, so that could also be why we're going to be ranging. So W management, W patience, W trade, we won that. So well done on that. Let's actually go ahead and journal that. Oops, see, where did that go? So let's go and journal that quickly. Date 13th of the 3rd, 2024. The pair was gold. It was a New York session. So the past 3 trades have actually been New York session trades, eh? We bought that. What time was that? Let me just get my thingy out. Opening time. Wow, that trade was 5 minutes. Do you know that? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 1635. 1635. Closure at 1640. So this is a very important point that I want to make right now. Being in the trade is like the biggest wait, I guess, is just waiting for that setup. So you gotta be patient. However, the time that I'm in the trade, it's not that long. Okay, so gold trade, New York session, we bought it, 5-minute trade for 10 pips. We won it. It was a type 2 entry and it was based off of my 15-minute time frame for execution. Okay, and I'll save that, and that's my journal updated again. Now to just update the stream quickly. I'll do the percentages later, guys. So for the month so far, we're looking at 2 losses and 7 wins so far for the month. You should use Google Sheets. I just use Google Sheets. Yeah, those type 2, yeah, type 2. And then so far for the year, we're looking at 5 losses and 17 wins. Boys, killing it. So yeah, now is another time to just mention this. Now that I go ETP2 after getting my runner stopped out to break even, you shouldn't feel anything. You must be as dead to these markets as possible. You gotta be dead to the markets, man. You gotta be dead to the markets. Your duty is for 2 things, and I'll say that every time. Manage your capital, take your profit. Manage your capital, take your profit. Okay, guys, if we have no questions, MFX members, are we good? Are we good?
All good, Mark.
Cool, 100%. My guys, MFX members, make sure you're journaling these trades, eh? I will ask you about it on Friday. My guys on YouTube, MFX members, thank you so much for today's session. It was great. It took a while to obviously get a position. However, patience pays. We got paid today. Beautiful. And I'll see everybody tomorrow morning for London stream. London stream. 9:30 GMT +2. Okay? Guys, have a lovely evening further, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. GG, man. Cheers, brothers. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Cheers, guys.